In this video, I'll show you how to create a swirly bokeh background effect in DaVinci Resolve. Please note that this tutorial uses Magic Mask, which is only available in the Studio version. Let's jump straight in. Start on the color page and make sure the clip you want to work on is selected. In the node graph, select the node where you want the effect applied. Open the Magic Mask panel, then click on the subject to sample it. Once the mask is set, start tracking forward so the mask follows the subject throughout the clip. Wait for the tracking to finish to ensure a clean result. When the mask is done, invert it so the effect applies to the background instead of the subject. Next, open the Effects panel, search for Radial Blur, then drag the Radial Blur effect onto the same node. This will apply the blur only to the masked background. Adjust the blur strength to taste. Increasing the amount will enhance the swirling bokeh look, while subtle values keep the background softer and more natural. You can also fine-tune the center position of the blur to better match the composition of your shot. That's it! You now have a swirly bokeh-style background effect while keeping your subject clean and separated, all done directly inside DaVinci Resolve.